In a world facing unprecedented challenges, from the climate crisis over disrupted supply chains to social inequality, a new paradigm is emerging in our production systems. Welcome to the era of open production. Open production brings forth a new approach, a distributed, cosmo-local way of production. It's about peer production, collaboration, empowerment, and participation in both global and local value creation. At the center of this revolution is open source hardware. Open source hardware projects are open technology that equips anyone to study, modify, maintain, repair, and make money from publicly shared projects.
The new Production Institute is a part of the Laboratory of Production Engineering at the Helmut Schmidt University. And it's a new idea which we are providing from Hamburg to develop and realize and use a new kind of machine tools and production systems which are based on these open source hardware principles. The first idea is that these parts to realize the machines are generated and innovated in the community. And the second idea is that we can overcome old path dependencies which are existing in the conventional development and realization and usage of machine tools. So these path dependencies are often barriers against new ideas. And this is what we want to overcome with the open source hardware machine tools in order to get a more sustainable and fair access to production ability for more people in the world.
Open source hardware, through its open documentation as digital commons, is a game changer that democratizes innovation, production, and consumption. The user gains full control over the technology, which reduces vendor lock-ins. The right to repair becomes a reality where anyone with the skills can repair products, making them last longer. Open source hardware empowers technology literacy, with open documentation fostering local knowledge and global collaboration. It enables tracking and tracing of digital flows of knowledge and materials along the life cycle, which can be further utilized as digital product passports, a crucial step towards a circular economy. Now, let's explore open source machine tools. Adaptable, user-friendly, and easily replicable machines that drive wider adoption while creating an open ecosystem for machine builders, integrators, and maintenance experts. Open source machine tools can be utilized in different ways. As a starter kit for open labs to set up an open microfactory. Small-scale, local, sustainable, yet powerful.
With the OpenLab Starter Kit, we are now providing the enabling technology for open labs and microfactories around the world to foster distributed manufacturing and local value creation. We are following now a slightly other path, including new criteria such as accessibility, empowerment, participation, and affordability.
In a world seeking solutions, open source hardware ignites innovation and empowers communities globally.
So with the OpenLab Starter Kit, the machine itself is not just hardware, but is a package full of knowledge that empowers users and people that has cheaper tools, for example, to build all the machines, to create these tools and access, therefore, the technology. As an example here, we have two 3D printers. And you can see that with the OpenLab Starter Kit, we can create a lot of prototypes. So the machine itself can produce parts from themselves. So we can call the OpenLab Starter Kit as the democratization of the open source machine tools, where everyone in the world could replicate the machines thanks to the documentation.
Together, we can build a more sustainable and inclusive way of production and consumption. Join the movement. Embrace open source hardware today.